Raiden, Aiden.
I'm waiting.
Yeah, go on a big one, the big boy swing. Oh my gosh, look at him. Our house is right there. You made it.
Yeah, I made it. It's upside down. 1, 2, 3, go. Whee!
Yay.
Yay! Yeah, it's right down the water. Mommy, let's go try it again.
There you go.
Oh my god, I fell down.
Silly boy.
Whee! Whee, that's lots of fun. Lots of fun. It's very, very good. Whee! Whee!
Oh my gosh, y'all, look at this. He over there eating. That looks like a big ass cow. It is actually a cow. Because I see the babies.
How's gonna die with the car? How's gonna die with the car? I think
He effing some shit up over there.
the cow.
Starbucks. We got our Starbucks and sandwich.
Yeah, we got. Should I hurt myself? Should I hurt myself?
Papa. All right, you guys. So I made some pumpkin.
Yeah, pumpkin cake.
Focus the camera. Trader Joe's. Okay.
Oh! Look at the pumpkin cake! Who stole the pumpkin cake?
Bam! And it's in the oven, baby.
Who stole the pumpkin cake? I think it's mommy. Yay! Oh! No, myself.
Let's try to get this
Please.
out.
Ow. Hi guys, welcome to my channel.
I do not know what he's over there talking about now. I can't wait to open this up. It's nice and soft. Oh my gosh.
Pumpkin cake.
Y'all look how, oh my
Can I try
god.
pumpkin cake with what?
Trader
Mom?
Joe's, baby.
Yo, God.
Okay.
I'm standing up on the table.
I need to see how warm it is outside. It's pretty warm.
There you go.
Guys, about to take Raiden outside.
Mommy.
Come on.
Mommy.
Yeah, I'm right here.
Hi.
Hey.
I want to slide down. I want to slide down. I'll slide down.
Hurry up. Let's go. Let's see it.
2, 3.
Go. Whee!
Well, the rocket ship is up because the solar system is Mars and the world and New York home and Duty Home Center.
What? Duty home centers. Oh my God. Y'all, that's our house right here.
Yeah, because we're not gonna go and Duty Home Center. I want to do this well.
Come on, let's go. Let's go play basketball.
Basketball. Hey, basketball. Yay, basketball.
Shoot. Hey, yay! Good job.
Wait.
Look at the rabbit.
You guys, I'm gonna dig the first time and I'm player 1.
All right, go ahead. Shoot. Yay! Good job.
Mommy.
My baby know how to play ball. All right, go. Go.
Go.
Oh my God, I'm about to fall, y'all. I haven't rode a bike in like a long time. Wow. Come on. Slow pelt. Oh my gosh. Woo. Yes, but I want you to sit down. Thank you. Y'all, look how high these ceilings are. Let me see. Where? This is a vest.
A vest, pants, drawers, and what's this thing?
What is that? Let me see. Trousers.
Trousers and shirts, socks, shoes, shirts, and jumper.
Yeah, good job. Good job.
What?
Whoa. Good job, Papa. Y'all, we're inside the RAYDEN TTC. Y'all, look how high the roof is.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh. And over there is just like another 2 couches. Another 4 couches. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more. No more, no more. Oh. Let's go do the laundry. Laundry. Get down. Bad butt. Oh my God, I hope none of this fall out. Oops, and it did.
Oh my God.
Holy cow. RAYDEN, open the laundry room for me. Never mind. Ooh. All right. Oh my gosh. Am I the only one that be going Dollar Tree crazy?
The one right with the heavy one.
Literally. I be going Dollar Tree crazy sometimes. You know? But this not even nothing. I just noticed that they got these now. Oh my gosh. Y'all know I love my little snacks. Especially when I'm on the go. When I'm on the go. They got these. So they got pretzels in it. Rayden's favorite. I like nuts. Nuts. It's like no. And we all like some of those.
Yeah.
I haven't had these in a while, so I just wanted to try them. We got cranberries.
And this. Bubble.
I just literally brought Rayden like 12 of these from Walmart, and this boy ate them all. Less than 2 days. I can't believe it. Now I gotta hide them. And he ate 2 of them before we even got here.
We got 10 of them.
Y'all look at the cow. Rayden. Oh, the baby's going to school. Where's the Paw Patrol pup? What are you doing, Papa?
Going up and sliding down. Going up and sliding down, Mommy.
You sliding down?
Yes,
All I'm in here cooking. Y'all know the vibes. Bam! So you guys, this is what I made for Thanksgiving. Turkey came out so freaking good, flavorful. Look at it. Got some greens with some neck bones. I normally use turkey neck bone, but this is the pork one, so look at that juice. Flavor. Got the cornbread dressing on point. On point. So y'all, I actually forgot the cheese for the mac and cheese, so I did not make no mac and cheese this year, clearly. So yeah, you guys, I hope everyone have a wonderful Thanksgiving with their family, because I know that we are going to bust this baby down. Guys, so I am getting ready right now to take Rayden to his new doctor's appointment out here. They don't have a pediatrician. Well, he's not going to see a pediatrician. He's going to see a regular doctor, which I didn't even know the difference between a regular doctor and children, not adults. I'm not talking about adults. I know the difference between adults ones, but the doctors and children. So he's going to see a regular doctor instead of a pediatrician. They basically do the same thing. So I had the doctor explain to me, because I'm like, isn't he supposed to be seeing, you know, children is supposed to be seeing pediatricians, because, you know, how we grew up seeing pediatricians. But he's like, yeah, Rayden, no, why did you take that other thing? That's to go bye-bye. Yeah, you know how to open it. So, yeah, they basically do kind of the same, but the only thing is that, you know, when it comes to like certain serious things, they send you to the hospital for a referral. So you won't be they won't be doing much inside of the doctor's office like pediatrician does certain things. They will send you to the hospital with the referral to do all of that extra stuff. So anyway, we're happy with that. That's fine. So yeah, as long as he gets his physicals all the time, you know, and being up to date with all his physicals, that's fine. So yeah, we're getting ready. It is about 8 something right now. We gotta be there at 11. So let's get into it. So guys, I had booked the car to pick us up for 10:30. Right now it's like 9:09. So now we're just waiting. I'm glad I got up early and I took my booster smoothie and I gave Raiden some too. Dang, he's already done. Look at it, y'all.
Hi guys. Welcome to my channel.
This is our channel. This ain't your channel.
Hi, my channel.
This ain't Raiden's world. This ain't Raiden's channel. This ain't your channel, boy. This mommy and your channel. Mainly mine's, but y'all get the picture.
Our channel.
Our channel.
That's
look at
not
his hair.
here in this channel. That's not in this channel.
My work clothes.
Big baby boy. Big baby boy. Big baby boy. A big baby boy.
Bell bottoms.
Big baby boy.
You guys, I freaking forgot. We got a code to our door. 03. All right. I freaking forgot the car seat. I got the booster for now because we left the other one in New York. Okay. Come on, Pop Pop. Come on, lead the ball. Come on, baby. Hurry up. Let's go. What happened to your coat? We are in a gated community. Come on, please don't play in the water and stuff again. Come on, it's wet out here. Come, baby.
Hi guys. Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. And we're in the taxi now. We lost in this home.
We're in a cab. Come on, Papa.
Playing.
Come on.
Playing.
Yeah, 6 feet apart.
All right. All right, thank you. What, they gonna come call me? All right, thank you, sir.
Step up a little bit. No. Just forward. One forward. One step forward. Yeah.
Raiden, look. Cheese. Yeah, keep your mask up, baby. Somebody's about to get his vision checked. We know it's good. We know your hearing is good, too. You guys, Raiden just had his hearing test. Don't touch the stuff. Now he's going to do the vision test, which is over here. His hearing test was good. Perfect. We know he can hear, y'all. He be acting like he can't. So they're going to do his vision. Usually his vision is good. But the fact that his dad and I wear glasses, I just hope that he won't need glasses. So, yeah.
My knee pressure.
Raiden has good vision, you guys. Perfect vision and
good
perfect
vision. Well, I
hearing,
have
which
good
is good.
vision in my knees. Well, I have some knee pressure.
Yeah, you have perfect good vision. Guys, Raiden is 3 feet and 5 inches and weighs 52 pounds. Yay! Blood pressure 90/68. 117. You guys, Raiden still needs to see the cardiologist again because I know they said that they wanted to see him again once he's 4 years old because when he was 3 he was moving so much during the echo because one of the holes already closed. That was in his heart since he was born premature. So she still hears like a little bit of a whistle in there. So we're gonna have to make sure everything is good and that it's closing. It might be closing slowly. Hopefully they don't have to go in and stitch it up or anything, because that's what the last doctor told us. But everything else looks good. His vision, everything is good. His hearing. And he's gonna get 4 shots for school and everything. So happy, well, for himself, but you know, we needed everything, registration and stuff for school. So other than that, he's healthy. Yes. You guys, he did not cry when he got his shots. Aww. Did so good. No crying. You're such a big boy. It's okay. Guys, they gave Raiden so much stuff. Sanitizer, all that. Wow. Y'all, they put a damn condom in here. Look at this. What the heck?
What are you missing?
No, they gave you Tylenol, so when you, God forbid, you get a fever after them vaccines, because you usually do.
Fever.
Oh wow, look at all the stuff they gave you. Oh my God, more condoms. What the heck am I gonna do with these?
Pretty
I want fever.
Yeah, but I ain't gonna need them. What is this? Are these masks? Oh wow, a whole bunch of masks. Cool. We have his doctor's thing here for his school. I'm gonna have to fill out the rest of some of this, I think, but once I give it to the school, I guess they'll tell me which part to fill out and they'll fill it out. This is a booklet, so the doctor filled out most of the stuff inside for him. So my baby is ready and ready to be registered for school on the 2nd. They're gonna do virtual classes for a week, and then I think classes for 2 weeks or so. So yeah, but I'll give you guys more details later. Yeah, boy.
It's me. It's me.
So guys, we are home now. They go, big boy Raiden. Don't, you don't ask like that. How do you ask first?
Please.
Please what? You don't throw stuff at people and tell them to open it. Please what?
Please open this orange.
All right, I will do. So you guys, she said just a little thing with Raiden, just his speech. So they're just gonna give him like a little teeny bit. I think she's gonna write a referral just for his speech a little bit. I think he's just like me, because you know, when I start talking so fast, it's like my speech be all messed up. So yeah, y'all know how I get down. So, and I can't help it, sometimes I just start talking like mad fast. So yeah, he needs just a little bit of speech. And what else? They're gonna do his physical therapy.
Mommy, orange has a smiley
Okay,
face.
Raiden, wait a second, I'm peeling it. They're gonna do his physical therapy thing again, because he still walks on his tippy toes. So yeah, we're gonna do that, and they're gonna check on his heart murmur again, because when she checked him, she was like that she still hears, you know, the noise, I guess the whistle. It's like a whistle sound, whistle noise, like when he breathed. So because he does breathe like a little funny sometimes. He'll go like this, like sometimes. I don't know why he does that, but that's something my little brother used to do too, y'all. Like make these noises. I thought it was just big boy noises, like because he a little bit big. But yeah, so yeah, I guess it's just a little issue with that. So we're just there. She's gonna write a referral. Raiden, get out that garbage. That's nasty. So yeah. So basically everything else is good with him. Just that. And yeah, got him ready for school. Got all his papers and stuff. Had the doctor sign and everything. So whoop whoop, baby is ready for school. So they was like, oh, they have dental inside of his doctor's. Let me turn his tablet off. Y'all, he broke his tablet again. Amazon's supposed to be, no, Walmart's supposed to be sending him a new tablet today, actually. So today is the day. We'll see when. He threw it on the floor. I'm not buying him no more expensive tablet because I got this one from freaking BJ's, y'all. It's not happening again. So this one was expensive. I bought him a little cheaper one because hopefully the screen is plastic. I don't know if it's glass or plastic, but hopefully it's just plastic. Because I did say that I was going to get like a whole cover for it, and I never did because he's been doing so well without breaking it, and then all of a sudden, boom. So anyway, y'all. Yeah. So his tablet's supposed to be coming today. I'm so happy that everything just fell into place. It's falling into place. With his doctor and everything, but they, like I was saying before with the dental thing, they said that they have dental inside of there, like pediatric dental, but they really don't, because when I brought the slip over to the person at the front desk after we were done with our visit, and they're like, well, we have a dentist, but the dentist is more of a volunteer and they mostly come whenever they please to, basically. Like, where they do that at? Well, I guess since they're volunteer, but still, I don't know. Man, please. But anyway, they saying that, oh, and then they really don't do the dental on the children because I guess they move around too much. They don't stay still, blah, blah, blah. That's understandable. But it's just like, why would you just tell me that, to make him an appointment for the dental up front and give the slip, but he can't be seen by the dentist. And they're not even sure if he's going to be back within a month or two. Like, I don't get it, but I'm just going to call the insurance and see what dental is around in the area because y'all know we're in the deeper woods. Body, yaddy, 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 yaddy. Ooh, look at the chicken. Oh,
9 ounce, 8 ounce, 9 ounce.
Ooh, baby, baby. It's like almost 2 in the morning, so I gotta get some Tylenol for Rayden because he's feeling a little bit warm. So I'm gonna bring him some Tylenol. He's sleeping with me, especially since he just had his vaccines, and I don't know if you guys remember, like every time when he gets vaccines, he gets the trembles and he gets really, really high fevers. Here, Papa. Here, look. Look, take medicine. Take medicine so it'll make you feel better. The doctor gave it to you. It's Tylenol. Sit up. Don't spill your cup. Pick up your cup. Pick up your cup. All right. You gotta drink it all. You okay? You still shaky? Here, take the last bit. Last drop. Take it all. So, yeah, guys, I gave him up to that line here. Yeah.
And better.
Drink some of your water, make you feel better, okay?
Okay.
I love you.
Love you.
Mommy, hope you feel better. Your fever go down. You're feeling a little extra warm now. I didn't even take his temperature, you guys. I just felt his head felt a little warm, so it definitely felt a little bit hotter. I'm gonna check it anyway. So all the time, like when he gets vaccinated and stuff like that, especially when he was a baby, it was worse. Like, I can't sleep. I gotta like stay up. So yeah, I think I'm gonna put this in a refrigerator. Let me just make sure the top is on. I'm just gonna leave it in here. I already rinsed out the thing. I actually like to just leave it room temperature because I think it works better that way. Some people put it in the fridge, and especially so it can last longer, but yeah, we prefer it out. You okay? Unless it's like, you know,
okay.
supposed to be in the fridge or whatever, but it doesn't matter with that. We usually leave that out. Okay. Put it under your tongue. Under your tongue. I need to get the one for the forehead. Close your mouth. Leave it under your tongue. Let me see. Open. Open. I didn't even turn it on yet. All right. Leave it under your tongue. Close it. Keep it under your tongue. Don't move it. Leave it under the tongue. It has to stay under the tongue, Rayden. Don't play with it, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh, you guys. Definitely got a fever.
Mommy, what's my fever?
The vaccine did it, buddy. Definitely hot. Y'all, I just had to wake him up. This boy been talking in his sleep, trembling on the bed. I had to snatch the covers off of him because extremely hot. He was moving when I took this one, so I rushed and gave him Tylenol. So I'm gonna take another temperature. And plus I just gave him the Tylenol, so we're gonna see. But this is very high. You don't have to be scared. Keep it under your tongue. Put it under your tongue. Close it. Don't move. Y'all, I hate when he gets these vaccines because his temperature be going up like crazy. He's shaking.
Don't.
Keep your mouth closed.
Mommy, I'm 23 temperature.
You guys, it's been a little time since I took his last temperature and gave him Tylenol. So we're gonna check it again. Come on, Papa. Rayden, come, let me check your temperature.
No. Scared.
What you scared for?
Scared.
Come on.
I'm scared, Mommy.
Here, did you just drink your juice?
No.
I'll wait. I guess I'm gonna have to wait until he finished drinking his ice cold juice. And Rayden, you can't keep the covers on you because you're gonna let your fever go down, okay? He said he feels a little better. His head feels a little bit better. Should be going down with the Tylenol. Okay, buddy? Look at your rosy cheeks.
Mommy,
I love you.
I didn't finish my cup anymore. I didn't finish my
it?
cup. No.
How come you're not drinking that much as you usually do? So I just took his temperature again. It's going down with the Tylenol, which what we expect. So, which is good. Because I'm like, his temperature was getting way too high. His temperature is actually past the limit of, you know, extremely high for children. So, whew. You feel a little better?
No.
I made sure to wait after he was drinking his juice, so he waited a while. And now he's sipping. He's only been taking these little sips, y'all. Look at this. But I wanted to wait definitely like at least 15 minutes that he wasn't sipping. You playing early in the morning? Is that your norm? Yeah, he just always gets up early in the morning and start playing. I guess he definitely feeling better. I turned around and this boy taking his own temperature. You're supposed to keep your mouth closed, okay? tell, tell me what the temperature is when you're done. No, it didn't beep yet, Raiden.
10:16.
It didn't beep yet.
It's 10:16, mommy.
Okay, but it didn't beep yet.